So hello guys, this is the day 2 of Lead Code March challenge. So let's see the question. Question is, you have a set of integers s which originally contains all the numbers from 1 to n. Okay. Unfortunately, due to some error, one of the numbers s got duplicated to another in the set, which results in repetition of one number and loss of another number. Okay, you are given an array nums representing data status of set. Find the number that occurs twice, okay, and the number that is missing and return them in the form of array. Okay, what we have to do is, here we are given this, okay, this is of size 4, and we have to find in this which element is missing and which element is repeating. In this case, 1 is one time, 2 is repeating, 3 is missing, and 4 is one time. So the answer would be 2 as the twice repeating and 3 being with frequency 0. Let's see the approach. Okay. So what question says is, what we will do is, first we will create an answer vector, okay, to store all the answers. Okay. Second, what I will do is, I will create an array containing the frequencies of all the integers. Okay. And third approach would be, if frequency is 2, then I will push it into the required vector. Okay. And if frequency is 0, then push it into the required vector. So our answer we get. Let's see the explanation. Here's example 1, 2, 2, 4. If I create frequencies of all the integers, say here this is the index indicated and the frequency. I have frequency array, say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then what if I initialize with 0, then the first then the element with the value 1 will be at index 0. Okay. Okay, so here it is nums of I. It means 1 minus 1, 0. At index 0, the frequency would be 1, because 1 is appeared one time. If I talk about the second element 2, okay, this is 2, this is the element, and this is the index, as it will appear at the first of the created frequency array. Okay, it is appeared once, then I will store frequency 1. Again 2 is appeared at same index 1, the frequency would be replaced by 2. Now next element is 4, which is at index 3, and its frequency would be 1. So till n equals to 4, all the frequencies we have got. Okay, because the size of the given array is 4, and we have the elements from 1 to 4. So 1 at 1, 2 with frequency 2, and 3 with frequency 0, and 4 is with frequency 1. We have got all the frequencies. So from this we can get the answer. 1 is appeared once, so this is not my answer. 2 is appeared twice, so this is the first answer we have to insert in our vector array. 3 is appeared 0, so this is the element which is missing from the array, and 4 is twice appeared once, so it will not appear. Okay, so our return answer would be element with frequency 2. It means our return with frequency 2 is our element 2, which is at index 1. Okay, so what I will do is, I will plus the index, as it is appeared at 1, but the value is 2 here. So our answer would be 1 plus 1, 2. If the element with frequency 0 is found, it is this is the element 3, okay, which is at index 2. So what I will do is, I will take the index and plus 1, and I will get the required number. So the answer would be 2, 3. Let's see the code. Okay, similar to the explanation, I have initialized the size of the vector which is given. Okay, I have created a max of all the size given by the question. Here it is given nums dot length. Okay, it can be of maximum of 10 ki power 4. So what I have done is I have created a frequency array of size 10 ki power 4 where I will store all the values. Okay, all the frequencies of all the values. Okay, this is the answer vector in which we have to push the answer. In this I am just storing the frequency of the elements. Okay, this is for the element with the frequency 2. If I get the frequency 2, then I will have the index. Okay, what I will do is I will index plus 1, so our answer would be given. Then I will break the statement as we no longer need with the frequency 2. Okay, for next I will check for the frequency with 0 and I will push as same as this. Okay, then I will also, then again we will break this for loop, and then we have all the answers in our vector answer. Okay, then I will return